In the last lecture, we see the second application of derivative. In the chapter application of derivative, first we see the geometrical application of derivative, and then second the physical application, that is the derivative as a rate measure. Now we see some examples on the rate measure. Okay, here. First example here. A spherical soap bubble is expanding so that the radius is increasing at the rate of it is 0.2002 centimeter per second. At what rate? The surface area is increasing when its radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. आता here rate of change, derivative as a rate measure. इथे तुम्हाला काय रेट ऑफ चेंज दिलेला आहे. रेट ऑफ चेंज, आता इथे रेट ऑफ चेंज कशाचा दिलेला आहे आणि कशाचा काढायचा या दोन गोष्टी सगळ्यात आधी फाइंड आउट झाल्या पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. क्वेश्चन पहिल्या आपल्याला रेट ऑफ चेंज कशाचा दिलेला आहे. आता इथे रेट ऑफ चेंज, आता इथे चेंज म्हणजे काय दिलेले आहे? इन्क्रीजिंग दिलेले आहे. इज इट रेट ऑफ चेंज, इट इज इन्क्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. आता या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये रेट ऑफ चेंज इट इज रेडियस इज इन्क्रीजिंग, दॅट मीन्स रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ रेडियस, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ रेडियस इज 0.02 centimeter per second, and this rate is increasing. Okay, and we want to find the rate of change of surface area. Okay, या दोन गोष्टी कळायला पाहिजे आपल्याला. कशाचा रेट प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेला आहे आणि कशाचा काढायचा आहे. फाइंड आउट काय गिवन आणि फाइंड आउट. हियर गिवन रेट ऑफ चेंज इट इज रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ रेडियस, and we want to find the rate radius, it is rate of change of surface area. Okay, here now let it is a solution. Let r centimeter be radius of sphere. Here, given that the rate of increase of radius, given that the rate of increase of radius is 0.02 centimeter per second, that is rate of change with respect to time. Rate of change of radius with respect to time, it is 0.02 centimeter per second. Now, it is a given dr by dt, that is the rate of increases of radius. Now, we will find the rate of increases of surface area. Now, let it is the surface area of the sphere. Let S be surface area of sphere. Therefore, we can write it is surface area of sphere. It is 4 pi r square. Now we find the rate of increases of surface area, that means the rate of change with respect to time. Therefore differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time, that is t. Therefore ds by dt is equal to 4 pi, it is a constant, and then derivative of r square with respect to t, it is 2r and dr by dt, and therefore it is 8 pi r into dr by dt. Here 8 pi r dr by dt. Now given the radius is 5 centimeter, okay, we want to find the rate of increases of surface area when the radius is 5 centimeter and the rate of increase of radius is given 0.02 centimeter per second. Therefore, when radius is equal to 5 centimeter, ds by dt is equal to 8 pi into 5 and into 0.02, then is equal to, now calculate here, 5 into 0.02, it is 0.1. 5 into 0.02, it is 0.1, and therefore it is 0.8 pi centimeter square per second. That is the rate of increases of surface area of sphere is 0.85 centimeter square per second. Now, it is a rate of increases 0.08 pi. आता क्वेश्चन मध्ये फक्त एवढं लक्षात घ्यायचं की तुम्हाला कशाचा रेट ऑफ चेंज दिलेला आहे. ओके, रेट ऑफ चेंज गिवन आणि फाइंड आउट काय करायचं. इथे रेट ऑफ चेंज रेडियसचा रेट ऑफ चेंज दिला होता, सरफेस एरियाचा काढायचा. Then it is dr by dt it is given. Yes, it is 4 pi r square. Then rate of change of surface area, okay, with respect to time, it is ds by dt. Now it is ds by dt 8 pi r dr by dt. When r is equal to, radius is equal to 5 centimeter, ds by dt is equal to 8 pi into 5, r चा जागा r ची व्हॅल्यू, and dr by dt is 0.02. Then 5 into 0.2, 0.02, it is 0.1, and then into it is 0.08 pi centimeter. That is the rate of increases of surface area. Rate of increases of surface area of a sphere is 0.8 pi centimeter per second. Now, next example here. The volume of a sphere increasing at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. Now, आता या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये गिवन काय दिलेलं आहे, रेट ऑफ चेंज कशाचा दिलेला आहे, तर रेट ऑफ चेंज दिलेला आहे व्हॉल्यूमचा, व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ अ स्क्वेअर. आता व्हॉल्यूम फी कन्सिडर केलं तर रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम इट इज अ dv by dt. Now, here given dv by dt is equal to 20. Then find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. म्हणजे व्हॉल्यूमचा रेट ऑफ चेंज दिलेला आहे आणि कशाचा काढायचा आहे, तर सरफेस एरियाचा. म्हणजे dv by dt it is given and we want to find the ds by dt, rate of change of surface area, that is with respect to time. Therefore ds by dt, it is the rate of change of surface area with respect to time, and it is given rate of change of volume of a sphere. Now we see the example, the solution. Let r centimeter be radius of sphere. Now let phi be the volume of sphere, and given dv by dt, rate of change of volume is 20 centimeter cube per second. Okay. Now we know that the volume of sphere phi is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is the phi 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time. dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi and then r cube चा derivative 4 by 3 pi constant. It is 3 r square dr by dt. Now 3 get cancelled. Therefore, and dv by dt is given. Therefore 20 is equal to 3 get cancelled. 4 pi r square dr by dt. Okay. Therefore we can write dr by dt is equal to, here dr by dt, 5 upon pi r square. It is a dr by dt. Here 20, it is a dv by dt. Here given it is dv by dt. Phi is a volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to time. dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi r cube. Derivative of r cube is 3 r square dr by dt. But it is given dv by dt, it is a 20. Then we have to find dr by dt. Okay. Therefore dr by dt is equal to 4 pi r, in the division of it is 20 by 4, 5 pi r square. It is a dr by dt. But now we will find the rate of change of surface area. Now here, let S be the surface area of the sphere. Therefore, S is equal to 4 pi r square. Differentiate with respect to time. ds by dt is equal to this. Okay. Now, ds by dt. Here, ds by dt when r is equal to 5 centimeter. When r is equal to 5 centimeter. ds by dt is equal to 8 pi r is equal to 5, and then dr by dt is equal to this. dr by dt is equal to this. Okay. First एक एक्सप्रेशन लिखो, r की वैल्यू नंबर लिखो. Okay. Therefore, ds by dt is equal to 8 pi r, 8 pi r, and it is dr by dt. It is dr by dt. 5 upon pi r square, and then it is pi get cancel, r get cancel. It is 8 into 5, that is 40 upon r. 8 into 5, 40, and it is pi get cancel r, and it is r get cancel. Now, when r is equal to 5, when r is equal to 5, here 40 upon, when r is equal to 5, 40 upon it is 5, that means it is 8. Okay. That means rate of increases when r is equal to 5, rate of increases of the surface area, it is a 8 centimeter square per second. हे लास्ट दोन स्टेप तुम्ही लिहा. काय करायचं आता फक्त when r is equal to 5 centimeter, r च्या जागेवर 5 ठेवा, 40 upon r. Okay, 40 upon 5, that is 8. Then rate of increases of the surface area is 8 centimeter square per second. हे झालं तुमचं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. त्याच्यात रेट ऑफ इन्क्रीजेस ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम दिलेला होता. इट इज अ गिव्हन डीव्ही बाय डीटी हे गिव्हन दिलं होतं, आणि डीएस बाय डीटी करायचं. म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित पहा. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. हियर द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्पेरिकल बलून इज इंक्रीजिंग ऍट द रेट 2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर पर सेकंड. आता सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्पेरिकल बलून, आता इथं बलून म्हणजे स्पेअरच, म्हणजे लास्ट एक्झाम्पल जसं होतं सेम त्याच टाइप मध्ये हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. लास्ट एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय होतं, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम दिलेला होता, आणि रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ सरफेस एरिया काढायचा होता. आता इथं काय, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ सरफेस एरिया दिलेला आहे, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम काढायचा. ओके. नाउ हियर द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्पेरिकल बलून इंक्रीजिंग ऍट द रेट 2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर पर सेकंड. ऍट व्हॉट रेट द व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ अ बलून is increasing when the radius is 6 centimeter. Now here the given the rate of increases of surface area, and we want to find the rate of increase of its volume when radius is 6 centimeter. Now solution, it is let r centimeter be radius of sphere. Here spherical balloon, that is the sphere. Then r centimeter be the radius of sphere, and S is surface area of sphere. Okay. Now it is given that ds by dt is equal to 2 centimeter square per second. That is given rate of increases of surface area. Rate of increases of surface area, it is 2 centimeter. एखाद्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये रेट ऑफ डिक्रीजेस जर दिलेला असलं तर हियर ds by dt is equal to -2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर पर सेकंड. जर डिक्रीजेस दिलेला असलं तर, आता इथे इन्क्रीजेस दिलेले ऍज इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह. नाउ s is equal to 4 pi r square. Differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time. ds by dt is equal to 4 pi into 2r dr by dt. Yeah. 4 pi as it is, r square is derivative 2r dr by dt. But it is given that ds by dt is equal to 2, and then it is 8 pi r and dr by dt. Therefore, we can write it is a dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to 8 pi r, the denominator value, that is 1 by 4 pi r. It is a dr by dt. Now, we want to find the rate of increases of volume, that is the rate of change of volume. Therefore, P is the volume. Let P is volume of sphere. Therefore, here P is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. That is differentiate with respect to time. It is the rate of change of volume. Therefore, dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square dr by dt. Now, it is 4, 3 cancel. It is 4 pi r square. 3 get cancel. And put the value of dr by dt, that is dr by dt is 1 by 4 pi r. And therefore, dv by dt is equal to, it is 4 pi get cancel, r get cancel, it is r. And when r is equal to 6 centimeter, dv by dt is equal to 6. Okay? And then it is 6 is centimeter cube per second. Therefore, rate of increases of volume of spherical balloon is 6 centimeter cube per second. Okay, the answer. Okay. Yeah, answer व्यवस्थित पहा. Surface area, rate of change of surface area दिलेला होता. त्याच्यावर आपल्याला dr by dt, then volume, rate of change of volume. Okay, step by step. सुरुवातीला इथपर्यंत आणि त्यानंतर मग या steps. Okay, and then rate of increases of volume is rate of increases of volume of a sphere is 6 centimeter cube per second. It is the last answer. Now, we see next example. It is here. The age of a cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Okay. Age of the cube is decreasing at a rate of 0.6. Here decreasing, rate is decreasing. Then find the rate at which its volume is decreasing when the age of the cube is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, here let x centimeter be age of cube. Given that rate of decreases of age of cube is 0.6 centimeter per second. So therefore, we can write dx by dt is equal to minus 0.6 centimeter per second. It is a 0.6 centimeter per second unit नाही लिहिले तरी चालते. Then dx by dt is equal to minus 0.606. It is dx by dt. Now volume of H, volume of cube, volume of cube is V is equal to side cube. Now differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to dv by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. Now, when age is 2 centimeter and rate of decreases, it is a dx by dt minus 0.06. Now, when x is equal to, that is side is equal to 2 centimeter. dv by dt is equal to 3 into 2 square into minus 0.6, and then it is dv by dt is equal to here 4 into 3 12 into 6 72, that is minus 7.2. Then rate of change, it is minus 7.2, and then this minus denote the rate of decreases, okay, and plus denote rate of increases. dv by dt, it is a minus 7.2, therefore answer is the rate of decreases of volume of Q is 7.2 centimeter cube per second. Here it is 7.2 minus 7.2 centimeter cube per second असं नाही लिहायचं. Here rate of decreases, या decreases मध्ये it is notation minus. Rate of decreases is 7.2, means dv by dt is equal to minus 7.2. and rate of increases असलं तर मग पॉझिटिव्हला पॉझिटिव्ह. Here इथं निगेटिव्ह आले म्हणजे काय, rate of decreases minus, and therefore we can write rate of decreases is 7.2. Minus notation, it is decreases, and rate is 7.2. The rate of decreases is 7.2. इथं minus 7.2 नाही लिहायचं. Okay, here dv by dt is equal to minus 7.2. That is rate of decreases of volume is 7.2. हे झालं तुमचं answer. Example व्यवस्थित पहा. Here it is answer. Rate of decreases. Next example it is, if each side of an equilateral triangle increases at the rate of under root 2 centimeter per second, find the rate of increase of its area when its side of length 3 centimeter. Here the equilateral triangle, then the area of equilateral triangle. Okay? Here area of, we find the rate of increases of area of equilateral triangle, and given that the rate of increases of side of equilateral triangle. Here let x centimeter be side of an equilateral triangle. Given that rate of increases of equilateral triangle, rate of increase of side of equilateral triangle is under root 2 centimeter. That is dx by dt is equal to under root 2. It is under root 2 centimeter per second. It is the rate of increases of side of equilateral triangle. Then area of equilateral triangle. Let A be area of equilateral triangle. And therefore, it is the area of equilateral triangle under root 3 by 4 into side square. Area of, it is a formula for the area of only equilateral triangle. X is the side of equilateral triangle. Then area of equilateral triangle, it is under root 3 by 4 side square. Then rate of increases, that is differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time. dA by dt is equal to under root 3 by 4 into 2x dx by dt. That is rate of change of area. It is under root 3 by 2 into x. Under root 3 upon 2 into x, and it is dx by dt. Dx by dt, it is under root 2. Here, dx by dt, it is under root 2. And when its length is 3. Here, calculation of step it is 2 and it is dx by dt. पुढच्या स्टेपला सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज असतील. dx by dt. Then, when side is 3 centimeter, then dA by dt. It is dA by dt is equal to under root 3 by 2 into side, that is 3, and into rate of increases of side, it is root 2. Now the calculation. Here, root 3 into 3, and here 2. Here root 2 cancel kara. It is root 3 root 3. 3 root 3 upon root 2. Root 2, it is root 2 and it is root 2. Numerator it is 3 root 3. It is dA by dt. Therefore, rate of increases of equilateral triangle is 3 root 3 upon root 2 centimeter square per second. Here, rate of increase. Calculation carefully down. Here dx by dt is rate of increase of side, and A is a area of equilateral triangle. And then it is a rate of change, and it is a rate of change of equilateral triangle 3 under root 3 upon under root 2. 3 under root 3 upon under root 2 centimeter square per second. Now, this is next example. Here, next example is a particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x square plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. आता इथे रेट ऑफ चेंज कशाचा दिलेला आहे, तर पॉइंटचा एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट आणि वाय कोऑर्डिनेट या दोन्हीचा रेट ऑफ चेंज दिलेला आहे. आणि रेट ऑफ चेंज डायरेक्टली नाही दिलेला आहे. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वाय कोऑर्डिनेट इज 2, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 3 असं डायरेक्ट नाही दिलेली. त्या दोन्हीमध्ये रिलेशन दिलेली. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. मग रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ y coordinate, सपोज आपण x, y पॉइंट घेतला, तर रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ x coordinate it is dx by dt, and rate of change of y coordinate it is dy by dt, and dx by dt आणि dy by dt या दोन्हीमध्ये रिलेशन दिलेली आहे. y coordinate changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate, that is dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. It is a given relation. Okay. And then we find the points on the curve. It is 6y equal to x square plus 2. Now there one correction is here. It is a correction. Equation of curve is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay. Now there, let x comma y be point on curve. X comma y be point on the curve. It is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. And given the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Here, y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. That is, dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Therefore, we can write dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt at point x comma y. Now, equation of curve. Given curve, it is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Then differentiate with respect to time. Six y, it is 6 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt, and at 2 the derivative 0, and here given dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. It is dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Therefore, value is 6 into 8 dx by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. Now calculate. Here, dx by dt cancel 3, 6, no, the 2 into 8, it is 16 is equal to x square. Therefore, we can write x is equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore, points on curve are x comma y, that is plus or minus 4 comma y. Now, this point satisfies the equation of curve. Therefore, if x is equal to plus 4, then y is equal to, it is y. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y curve, equation of curve, 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to x cube plus 2 upon 6. Y is equal to x cube plus 2 upon 6. And then x is equal to 4. Then 4 cube plus 2 upon 6. And then 4 cube is 64. That is 66 upon 6, and it is 11. That is, first point is 4 comma 11. And if x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4, then y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2 upon 6, and then it is y minus 4 cube, that is minus 66 plus 2 upon 6, minus 66, that is minus 64, minus 64, and then it is minus 62 upon 6, and then it is minus 62 upon 6. Okay, 2 ने डिवाइड के लिए divided by 2, 31 by 3, and therefore points on curve are 4 comma 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 upon, it is the points on the curve. Now next.